Hey everyone, today I will show you how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp, and here is how it is done. To enable Meta AI in WhatsApp, follow these detailed steps to ensure you activate the feature correctly. First, you need to open the WhatsApp application on your mobile device. Start by locating the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or app drawer. The icon is typically a green speech bubble with a white phone icon inside it. Tap on this icon to launch the app. Once WhatsApp is open, you will see a list of your recent chats and conversations. You need to choose the specific chat where you wish to enable Meta AI. This can be a conversation with a friend, a family member, a group chat, or any chat where you want to use Meta AI. Simply tap on the desired chat to open it. After opening the selected chat, you will see the familiar chat interface with the message box at the bottom of the screen. This is where you typically type your messages. Tap on the message box to bring up your keyboard, allowing you to type your message. In the message box, type at Meta AI without quotes. Ensure that you type this exactly as shown. This command is used to prompt WhatsApp to recognize and activate Meta AI. Once you have typed at Meta AI, press the send button. After sending the command, you should see a pop-up notification or a message indicating that Meta AI is available for use in your chat. This pop-up is a sign that the feature is enabled and ready to be used. If no pop-up appears, it likely means that Meta AI has not yet been rolled out to your account or region. If the pop-up does not appear, it means that Meta AI is currently not available for your specific account or geographic location. Meta AI is gradually being rolled out, so availability can vary. You will need to wait until Meta AI becomes available for your account or region. Keep an eye on updates from WhatsApp and Meta for when this feature will be accessible. If the pop-up notification does appear, tap on it to activate Meta AI in your chat. This action will automatically set up Meta AI for the conversation, allowing you to start interacting with it immediately. Once activated, you can use Meta AI to assist with various tasks, answer questions, and provide information directly within the chat. And that is everything you need to know about how to use Meta AI in WhatsApp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.